Today's message is for all the students, seekers, or the lifelong learners. If you are somebody who is constantly seeking learning and growth and productivity in life, this is the video for you. I'm going to share some unique concept. Maybe you already know that, but in a different light. So watch the video till the end. Start teaching what you learn. Doesn't matter, you are a student or a teacher or whatsoever. If you are learning something, start teaching it to other people. Now you're going to say me that I don't have any person who is going to listen to me, and how should I teach them? It's not practically possible and stuff like that. But you can record videos, right? You can do that. Do that, please. You know what? When you learn something and when you share it with people, or you just write it down, or it's better, better than writing. Anyways, we write notes and stuff. So if you create any video and when you present, I'm not saying it share or don't share, at least create a video out of it and just watch it later. That how are you presenting? And if you want to go, higher or deeper in that learning, in that realization, then kindly share it with people. Because when we are learning something and when we share that knowledge with the world, it grows. We become efficient at it. At the same time, we can understand how people are reacting to that knowledge. We can experiment and we can understand through their feedbacks that how we have to learn in a better way. Because what is the purpose of the learning? What is the purpose of the knowledge? Isn't it for solving problems? Isn't it for helping people? Isn't it for making things easier and creating something out of it? That's the ultimate goal. Otherwise, all kinds of information is already there in the Google and stuff. So if you are learning something, share it. Do not tell that 3 years is there or 4 years is there and I'm reading and studying. I want to focus just on studying right now. No, it's a trap. It's the excuse that we give to our own self for not doing things. All the time we have 24 hours. All the time we are not giving to just studying the same lesson. We are not doing that, right? So doesn't matter whatsoever you are learning, just share it with people. Have their feedback, create video out of it. What is that message which you want to share? What is that thing which you have learned? Just share so that you can know that what is that demand, how people are expecting it to be, and till the time you are learning. And when you are teaching, you are growing and you are having an idea that how to learn in a better way, how to modify your learning. So if you are a student, do not give me that excuse that I do not want to, create videos, or I do not want to share it with anybody. It's highly crucial. It's an excuse, as I earlier told. It's an excuse that you are giving to your own self. Become visible. Share your message with the world. When people can see you, there is that trust. There is that credibility. So start working on that visibility. You cannot hide behind. Share your message, share your knowledge. And it is not going to hinder your learning. It's going to support, it's going to help you. Right? So, I was having conversation with few people and they were telling that I just want to focus in my studies. But how is it hindering you? If it is helping you, and most of you, many of you are watching Netflix and all those stuffs, cut those time out. And Facebook, just chatting with people and stuff. So cut those time out and put in just expressing your knowledge in creating videos and putting it there. Have those feedbacks. This time is very important and crucial. The social media is very powerful. There we can share our message with the people. Right now I'm doing with you. What is there inside my head? What is that which I feel like sharing with you? What is that thing which I learn or experience? I share it with you. It's very powerful. Utilize it. We are already late, to be very frank. There's no time, and you just cannot say that I will start after 2 years or 3 years. As you are learning, start sharing, because to share or to teach is to learn twice. So even if you have no other thing, even if you want to learn in an efficient way, start teaching, start sharing, start creating videos, and this will help you to grow holistically. Because whatsoever thing which you are learning, that needs to be shared, that needs to be communicated. People should know you, that you have this message, you have this idea with which you can help other people with. So how people will know if you're just sitting in your home and you are not creating that visibility for yourself? Isn't it? And that is how you build connections, that is how you help people. This is a different time. You just cannot alone sit at your home and you expect people to come to you. That's not going to happen. And we have this social media power. We can create our own videos and we can share our message with the world, and we can connect and we can create that high vibration community with the similar visions and goals. And I'm so grateful that I'm being able to share my message, and slowly and gradually I'm creating that community of like-minded people, that community of people who are aligned with their purpose, who just lift each other's up towards the growth mindset. So I am being connected with those kinds of people, and when people reach out to me and they share how these videos are helping them, it gives a lot of immense satisfaction. At the same time, my learning is not stopped. I'm learning as well as sharing. So just do it. It's going to help you, and you can find people around the globe with the similar vision, mission and purpose. And let me tell you, there's nothing more beautiful than this thing, to create a community of your similar purpose and vision and work together to create that wave of positivity across the globe. Share your message, share your learnings, and let's create a wave of positivity and happiness and fulfillment and success that is holistic in term. Thank you so much for watching this video. I would be waiting for your sharings, for your videos, and if you have any queries or anything in any way you feel I can support you, just email me, or you can just send me a DM over Instagram. I'm there for you. Thank you so much. Just share this message and subscribe to this channel, and like and comment what are your views on this. Thank you so much. Until we meet in the next video. Bye.